Blitzy, Daddy's got to make a movie. Daddy's got shit on his mind. Come on, man.
Hey guys, I hope you're well. They say that the magic number for those new to QRP, the magic goal, what's the goal post? 1,000 miles per watt. Okay, 1,000 miles per watt. Now, if I may be so bold as to 10 watts in, 100 milliwatts out. No takers that time, but were there? Let's take a look-see. Hang on. Hey guys, I hope you're well. Man, this guy is one gifted bullshitter. He's the king of bullshit. Aw, hey Scout. I've never seen him put his foot up there. Hey Scout, come on, man. Hey Scout, Daddy's got shit on his mind. Let's go show the boys something. Whoa, you want to lick my phone? Come on, man. So, I've got all the file. Pee-pee? I've got all the files recorded, except the main one. For this QRPp video. I want to get this thing posted because I've got a couple other videos in mind that I want to do, and one of them I'm going to do today. Check it out. I'll tell you what it is. The next video I make, we're almost done with this one. The next video I make, see the Heathkit HW16 and matching VFO? That was the first real commercial rig I ever got. My mom got and dad got it for me when I was a brand new general class ham. I was 15, I think, or 16. And they got me the kit. Sorry, I'm shaking. They got me the kit from Heathkit at the store in Detroit, and I built them. And every Heathkit I've ever built, I've signed it on the inside. I've dated it and put my call sign. And I've never opened these up. Now, here's 4 Heathkit rigs, 2 of which I bought from a ham in northern Michigan on eBay. Don't remember which 2. Could it be? Could those be the rigs I built when I was 15 or 16? Come home to Daddy? We'll see. But right now, I want to show you. Oh, and after that video is completed, because that's only going to be a short one, we're just going to pop the lid and pop the bottoms off of those 2 rigs. After that, man, guys, it's time to get to work. I've got the workshop of my dreams. When I was... Sorry. I stumbled over my tripod, which used to be standing. I've got the workshop of my dreams, man. If I were younger, given this room, I'd never leave. I'd live in here. I'd sleep on the floor. It's been snowing like crazy lately. Yeah, boy, the yard is so deep you can barely walk through it. It's almost up to Scout's tummy. But I digress. It's time to get to work on these vintage rigs. You know, and some beautiful radios, man. And that one back there. This is a treasure. This Kent Model 40 receiver, AM radio, broadcast band radio. But I digress. did a little testing using my 100 milliwatt attenuator. I want to show you what skimmers heard me. Hang on. Okay, guys, you're looking at my laptop right now. The other day, actually, it was, I don't know how long ago, a couple weeks ago, I think. Hi, Scott. I decided to do a little bit of 100 milliwatt RBN testing. Now, there's going to be a little bit of wire pattern, and I will show you the signal strengths and such after you see this. But look at this, man. 100 milliwatts CW. You know? Look at the VE6s. One of them, well, you'll see. Look at this. I'm going to pause you so I can kind of focus this. I'm going to flip you to the left, and let me pause you and zoom in on the list. So check it out. Check out the list of skimmers that copied me. And check this out, the distances. 1,505 miles for that VE6. And this was on 20 meters, by the way. 1,500 miles, 100 milliwatts. Look at the signal strength, 7 dB. Oh, look down here, 29 dB. Who was he? 1,541 miles, huh? Another VE6. Oh, look at that wire pattern. Ah, that's wicked. That's awful. Anyway, right on. 2 VE6s, one of them at 29 dB. Really? I'd have been swinging his S-meter to the right. Hang on, I pause you. Can you believe it? I'm going to set my clipboard up because I have a proposal. The reason for my proposal, I need to get back into my ham radio hobby. I've almost completely stopped and I've done nothing with it. And you guys can help me. I want to dedicate myself to doing something. Hang on. See, guys, I've been a ham too long just to stop all activity. I'm referencing this line here. A lot of the things I want to do with QRPp, I've already done. You know, I've lived the glory days of my ham radio career already. And I don't need to try to outdo what I did in my early 30s when I had incredible amounts of desire and drive and energy. You know, I raised my children on my lap while working CW. I used to have conversations with friends and my wife and my kids while working contacts, while rag chewing on CW at the same time. You know, I'd run two conversations, two completely different lines of thought at the same time. Daddy, where's he live? What's he like to have for dinner? Hell, I don't know, Kelly. I ask him, I guess. Okay. Well, guys, I want to commit to working every morning. Now, I built that attenuator for a reason. I want to see who can hear me at 100 milliwatts. And that leads to the first question, you guys. Should I put the other attenuator online that outputs 1 watt? I'm talking mainly to you guys in Europe. If any of you guys are watching this, you know, couple of you in mind right now. Yeah, I'd love to work you with 100 milliwatts using CW. If any of you Europeans are into CW, I know you are too, at least one of you. I think all of you are. But yeah, what I'm wondering is, for working the States, what time in the morning is optimum for a European? You know? Um, yeah. What I generally do when I'm working QRP, CW, I start on the 10-meter band. And if I can't seem to do anything, if the band doesn't sound very good, I'll go down to 15 meters. Assuming the MUF, the MUF, the maximum usable frequency lies somewhere in between. You know what I mean? And if 15 meters sucks, and I'll do the same, I'll drop down to 20, assuming the maximum usable frequency is somewhere in here, you know? That's what I do. Start on 10, work my way down to 20. What I'm wondering is, what if every single morning, I don't know what the optimum time would be. Let's say it's 9 a.m. my time. Spend 10 minutes trying to see what I can work on 10, spend 10 minutes on 15, spend 10 minutes on 20. It's a half hour every morning. Um, Dear Europeans, wouldn't 9 my time? I don't know what the time difference is. I think like 6 hours, 5 hours. I think it's 5 hours, but I'm not sure. It's either 4 or 5, I believe. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Um, I want to try to work Europe using 100 milliwatts. But again, if you'd rather I stick my 1 watt attenuator in line instead, because 100 milliwatts is not much power. But it can be done, and it'd be a fun challenge. Like I said, my glory days in CW QRP work are in the past, and they're beautiful, beautiful memories right now. So I'm good with all that. Let me pause you and reposition you. Okay, so I mentioned making the next video will be my HW16 miracle story. Will it be? What are the odds? And then after that, I want to talk about my restorations and where I'm going to start. Well, I'll tell you right now where I'm going to start with the restorations with those 4 Heathkit units over there. I want to get my Heathkit General Class Dream Station of 1970. I want to get it on the air. And then I'm going to sell it all. Finally, I want to talk about the different phases of my ham radio life. And when the phases of life when I was active the most, or active at all. And talk about my logs related to these phases of my ham radio activity. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're well. I will record this evening. Could those be the ones I built 50 years ago? Maybe. I'll talk to you later, guys. You take care. Bye now.